Morning everybody, welcome to DPS Dhaka. In this class I am going to teach the student of class 8 the first chapter of science, that is crop production. So dear students, I have already discussed about the various agricultural practices and various types of crops in this chapter. So in the previous lecture I discussed about the agricultural practice, the first agricultural practice, that is preparation of soil. So how preparation of soil is done and how important it is. So ploughing and leveling are the two methods of preparation of soil, and what are the various advantages of preparation of soil. So the next agricultural practice, that is sowing of seed. So this agricultural practice, sowing of seed, is also very important, and very important because these seeds will become our plants, and seeds are the thing that is going to give us the crop. So in this sowing of seed, some points are to be kept in mind before sowing of seed, that is selection of seed is very important. Also the appropriate distance and depth at which the seed should be placed, that also should be kept in mind. And the various tools for sowing of seed. What are the various tools for sowing of seed? First of all, in sowing of seed, we go through the process, that is selection of seed. So selection of seed is very important, very vital, because after all these are the seeds which give us the crop. So in the selection of seed, seeds should be clean, healthy and disease free. So before sowing seed, we make sure that the seed that we are going to sow should be clean, healthy and disease free. And also seed should be heavy, not hollow. So we first of all place the seed in water. The seeds which are floating on the water are hollow and are not appropriate for sowing. So and the seeds which sink in the water are appropriate for sowing. So we select the seed which are heavy and not hollow. Also seed should be treated with fungicide. So before sowing the seed which we are going to sow should be treated, should be applied fungicide, so that when we apply the seed in the field, when we sow the seed in the field, it cannot get some kind of disease. So we beforehand, before sowing the seed, we apply a fungicide on the seed. And the next point is seed should be placed at appropriate distance and depth. Why? Because if we are placing the seed at very close, so the seed will lack the proper amount of sunlight, air and nutrients. So they will compete with each other. If we overcrowd the seed, they will compete with each other for sunlight, air and nutrients from the soil. So proper distancing of seed is very important. Proper distancing of seed, and also the proper depth, so that it can its root can penetrate deep into the soil and properly into the soil, and it can hold the soil properly and get its nutrients from the soil. Otherwise, if you leave the soil, leave the seed at surface, it will not penetrate into the soil properly, and therefore your crop will not be give you good produce. So it should be placed at appropriate distance and depth from each other to avoid overcrowding. Overcrowding should be avoided. So what are the various tools for sowing of seed? So there are various methods of sowing of seed. The first method is manual. This manual method, in which we scatter the seed in our field manually with the help of our hand. But this method of sowing of seed is not appropriate, because here the proper distancing of the seed is not maintained. We cannot ensure the proper distancing of the seed, and also the proper depth of the seed cannot be ensured. The seed will not go to the proper depth and can be damaged by the various type of insects and birds. So seeds are scattered manually in the field, but you cannot ensure proper spacing between seed. Also, seeds are not sown at right depth in this category. But the other method is traditional method. Traditionally, this manual scattering was not done. Traditional means the tradition, that is rivaj. The traditional method of sowing of seed is using the tool used for sowing seed is shaped like a. In the traditional method, we use a funnel shaped tool to this funnel shaped tool having 2-3 pipes with sharp end, and in the funnel shaped tool we used to keep our seed. We used to keep our seed in the funnel shaped ball, and this ball was connected with 2-3 pipes having sharp end. So when we run the funnel shaped ball with the help of some vehicle, some bullock cart, so these seed drills, these pipes having sharp end pierce into the soil and put our seed in proper distance and proper depth. Next method is seed drill. This method of seed drill is a little high technology, a little better technology. In this method, this seed drill consists of a funnel shaped ball, similarly like this. It consists of a funnel shaped ball. Funnel means, you already know, funnel shaped ball. Ball means you know about it. Pot. A pot is a ball. So funnel shaped ball connected with several pipes, and these pipes are attached to plough. So this funnel shaped ball having several pipes, and these pipes were attached to the plough. And when this plough run along the field, this plough makes furrow. This plough makes pit in the field, and along these pits the seeds are put in the soil at proper distance and proper depth. So these are attached to the plough. When plough make furrow, seed is released in the soil at proper distance and depth. The next method of sowing of seed is by transplantation. In this method, this method is applied for paddy, brinjal, chili, tomato. So these type of plants are sown with the help of transplantation. What is transplantation actually? In transplantation, we grow our seed in nurseries. We overcrowd our seed. We actually scatter our seed in the nursery, and when these seeds become seedling, we take them from there and select the healthy seedlings from them, and we only apply in our field, in another field. We take from them from nursery and we select the healthy seedlings and we apply in our actual field at proper distance and proper height. Seeds are grown in nursery and the transplanted to actual field, and this is applicable for paddy, brinjal. What are the various advantages of seed drill? I will give you the picture of this seed drill in the video. You can see. And I will give you the picture of transplantation also. So what are the various advantages of seed drill? The various advantages of seed drill are: in this method, seed are sown uniformly at appropriate distance and depth. It also ensures, this seed drill also ensures seed is covered with soil otherwise damaged by birds. This seed drill also ensures that your seed are being covered with the soil so that it cannot be damaged by various types of insects and birds. And this, the other advantage of seed drill is that it also saves our time and labor. So the next topic is advantage of transplantation. So what are the various advantages of transplantation? In this method ensures